how to permanently close Foodpanda account. So if you want to permanently close your Foodpanda account, then what you need to do is first, you'll have two options, which is in-app request and then an email request. So if you have the application, open up your Foodpanda and then go with the help center and select my account and choose want to delete my account. After that, your account will be deleted. Or if you don't have access to your information, like your login information, then you can go with the email as well, which is you can send an email requesting account closure and data deletion. So just go with data protection @foodpanda.sg and check the privacy policy in your specific region as well. Just simply go with your mail, compose, enter the address, and then write that I want to delete my Foodpanda account and I don't have access to my Foodpanda. And your account will be deleted. So this is how you can permanently close or delete your Foodpanda account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.